guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we learn 3D camera tracking in Adobe After Effects. So let's get started. First we import a video. Then we go to the Effects and Presets, and search 3D camera tracker. Then apply on it. This effect automatically analyzes camera tracking. After some time tracking is done. Then we select a place to put an image. And right-click on mouse and click on Create Solid and Camera. Then we pre-comms the track solid, and change the name to be first and OK. Then we double-click on Precoms to open it. And turn of the visibility of track solid. Then we go to the project, and drag and drop the image. And we transform the image to adjust. Then again go to the Effects and Presets and search Drop Shadow, and apply on it. And change the direction, distance and softness. And it's done. We successfully apply to an image on a wall.